Growth of population. On 1st May 1960, Maharashtra state came into existence. At that time, the population was 4 crores. Since the last 50 years, because of the development in industries, trade, transport, tourism and farming, the quality of life has improved. People from different parts of India are migrating to Maharashtra on a large scale for employment. So the population has been increasing steadily. The birth rate is high because of poverty, illiteracy, and insufficient propaganda about family planning. Whereas the death rate has decreased due to medical facilities, sufficient food supply, and control on epidemics. This has resulted in an increase in the population in Maharashtra. The growth rate of population of Maharashtra is higher than the growth rate of India. The rate of the population growth of Maharashtra during the decade 1961 to 1971 was 24.45%, while the population growth in India was 24.8%. During the decade 1981 to 1991, it increased to 25.73%. At the same time, this figure for India was 23.85%. During 2001 and 2011 in Maharashtra, the rate of the population growth was 15.99%, and for the Thane district, it was 35.94%, which was the highest in the state. Mumbai district shows negative growth of population, that is, minus 5.75%. This is the first time that Mumbai, Ratnagiri, and Sindhudurg districts also recorded negative growth of population. Population distribution and factors affecting it. In Maharashtra, the distribution of population is very uneven. In North Konkan and Western Maharashtra, the population is dense, whereas it is sparse in Aurangabad and Nagpur divisions. Thane district has highest population of 9.84%, while Sindhudurg district has lowest population of 0.08% in the state. Natural, economic, and social factors affect the distribution of population of Maharashtra. Now let us delve into a few factors that affect the distribution of population of Maharashtra in detail. Natural factors. The western part of Maharashtra has Sahyadri Mountains extending in the north-south direction. The areas of this mountain and offshoots extending in Konkan have greater relief and dense forests. As a result, population in this area is less dense. Similarly, due to large area under forests in the eastern Maharashtra, also records low population density. In the plateau area of Maharashtra, due to fertile soils and favorable climate, population is dense in river plains. Economic factors. Due to the development of transportation, industries and trade in Mumbai-Pune, Kolhapur-Ichalkaranji, Aurangabad-Jalna and Nagpur division, there is dense population. Due to irrigation facilities in western Maharashtra, the agriculture has been well developed. Similarly, availability of various minerals in districts of eastern Maharashtra like Nagpur, Wardha, Amravati, there is dense population. Density of population. Population density is a ratio between persons in the region and the total area of region. For example, the total number of people living in Maharashtra are 11 crores 23 lakhs 72,972, and the area of Maharashtra is 3 lakhs 7,586. When we divide these two numbers, we get the average density of the state, that is 365 persons per square kilometer. The distribution of the population in an area is shown in this map by dot or choropleth methods. In the dot method, the number of people is considered, whereas in the choropleth maps, density of population is represented. We will now study density of population in Maharashtra. The very high density region, that is more than 600 persons per square kilometer. Mumbai city, Mumbai suburban, Thane and Pune district have the density of population more than 600 persons per square kilometers. Mumbai is a natural port. It is the capital of Maharashtra and the financial capital of India. Similarly, there is a development in technology and transport in the districts of Thane and Pune, which provide opportunities of employment to the people. Due to migration of people towards this region, the density is very high. High density region, 450 to 600 persons per square kilometer. It includes Nagpur and Kolhapur districts. Nagpur is in the central part of India and also a center of transportation routes. Kolhapur district is developed in agriculture and industrial products. So, the density of population is high in these districts. Medium density region, 300 to 450 person per square kilometer. In western Maharashtra, Nasik, Satara, Jalgaon, Ahmednagar, as well as Aurangabad division and some districts of Nagpur division have a medium density of population. In these areas, farming is the main occupation and industrial development is going on. Low density region, 150 to 300 person per square kilometer. The low density regions are the east regions of the Sahyadri ranges that lie in the rain shadow region, Dhule, Ahmednagar and Beed districts. In the eastern part of Maharashtra, there are large hilly tracts and forested areas, which results in low density of population in the districts of Bhandara, Gondia and Chandrapur. In the districts of Amravati, Akola, Vashim, Yavatmal, Hingoli and Parbhani, the population density is low due to uncertainty of farm yields and existence of nomadic tribes. The very low density region, that is, lower than 150 person per square kilometer. Gadchiroli is a forest area and the ratio of the scheduled tribes is more. There is no development in farming, transportation and industries. So, the density of the population in this district is very low.